Hey guys, I'm Yene. Welcome to my channel. Click here to do a custom canvas so you can put any dimension you need. I'm going to show you around all the tools in Procreate. Click on the icon near gallery. You will see add. You can insert a file, a photo. You can take a photo. Let's check add text. You can add your own text. Click here. Click on A and you can change the font, the style, anything you want. The menu add is really straightforward, so we will go on the canvas menu. You can flip the canvas. You can also see the canvas info. You can check the drawing guide. You want to see what you're doing in each layer. It's pretty cool to have the page assist. You can also check the animation. You can draw on the same layer or you can add many layers, and basically after you click on play, it's a bit like a time lapse. You can also crop and resize the canvas. The next one is share. You can share a PDF, PNG, and the next one is video. You can export a time-lapse video. You also have prefs. I don't usually use that, and also help. We're going to see adjustments. You just have to play with the colors. Let's check another adjustment. It's the glitch. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. I really appreciate it. So you can play with all the adjustments. With the next tool, you can use the automatic or freehand to select. You can copy and paste. You can remove the object. You can add some object. You can use as a rectangle or ellipse. It doesn't need to be purple. You can also change the color. With the next tool, you can modify your drawing. You can modify it yourself or use the tools available. On the other side, you will see the brush library. You can also modify any brush. You just have to double click on it. You can draw or do some lettering. I'm going to show you how to resize your brush. So easy. You can also change the opacity. With the next tool, you can blend any colors. You can also change it as a brush. It's pretty cool, guys. You can tell me in the comments what do you want to see next. The next tool is erase. You can also change it as a brush to erase. The next one is the layers. You just have to add some layers and work on the layers. And finally, the colors. There are different ways to display the colors. Thank you for watching.